Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, we'll be making a really easy and yummy recipe of chicken chowmein. It just requires a few easy ingredients and few easy steps, and the result is super delicious. So in a pan, we're going to boil some water and add some salt according to your taste. And then we're going to add in spaghetti and a little bit of oil. We added the oil so the spaghetti doesn't stick with each other. Then separately, we're going to take 2 chicken fillets and then cut them into julienne shapes. The amount of chicken fillet you take, it depends on how many people you're making for. So if you're making for a lot of people, then you need more chicken fillet. This serves about 3 to 4 people. Now that we have cut them, now we're going to add some coriander on top for the nice smell. And then we're going to add in red chili powder. According to your taste, I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons. And then we're going to give it a good mix. We're going to keep that aside, and now we're going to go to the veggies. So now we're going to take 1 large carrot and we're going to grate it. So in total we're taking 2, and we're going to grate them. And then we're going to take half a green pepper and half a yellow pepper and then cut them into julienne shapes as well. So if you have everything ready, then it's really easy to make everything because you just need to add them together now. And now in our pan, we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons oil, and then we're going to add in the chicken, the marinated chicken, and we're going to cook it well. This is a really healthy recipe, so we're adding in the minimal oil. And we're going to cook the chicken properly before adding in the veggies so the taste of the veggies stays the same. So now chicken is cooked. Now we're going to add in everything else like the carrots and the bell peppers. And also I cut about half a small cabbage. And then we're going to mix it really well. And we're going to cover it for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to uncover it. And then we're going to add in the spaghetti that we boiled before. And we're going to mix everything really well. And here you can add a little bit of sauce if you want. And there we go, our chicken chowmein is ready. I hope you liked today's recipe, so please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.